In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your auto hotkey settings here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you need to open up the game itself, find the little settings gear on the left-hand sidebar, select it, and once you're in settings, go ahead and scroll down, and you need to look for the little gameplay section on here. You're going to see an auto skill settings, race reroll, clan, bloodline, hitboxes, and so much more. Go ahead and look specifically for the auto skill settings, and then you're going to see auto hotkey settings within here. Go ahead and hit open on those, and you essentially want to go ahead and adjust these settings however you like. Now, I recommend keeping them on at all times just because you'll see them activate in the bottom left whenever it is applicable. But that's just me. If you want to turn certain ones off, you can definitely do that in that exact same area as well. But that's actually the full process right here. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.